Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So the pink salt trick for weight loss claims that consuming pink Himalayan salt in a specific way can help shed pounds by detoxifying the body, boosting metabolism or balancing electrolytes. However, the truth behind this trick is mixed and there are a few important factors to consider. So is it legit? Pink Himalayan salt contains trace minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, but these are very small amounts. While these minerals can contribute to overall health, they won't directly lead to weight loss. Salt does plays a role in hydration and electrolyte balance, which can be important for maintaining a healthy metabolism. However, relying on salt alone will not trigger significant weight loss. Using too much salt can increase sodium intake, which may lead to water retention and bloating, potentially causing temporary weight gain and not loss. The bottom line. The pink salt trick is not a miracle solution. While it can help and has some benefits, its use in weight loss is not scientifically supported. So guys, the pink salt trick is likely more of a marketing gimmick than a proven weight loss method. If you're looking for legitimate sustainable weight loss methods, consider focusing on holistic approach to health. Guys, enjoy the video, do not fall for this scammy stuff, stay healthy, be careful, thank you for watching.